Hello everyone. I am Naina Githe from Hindi Madhyamik Vidyalaya. Welcome guys in our online session for maths. From today we are going to teach you math subject from online session. Even all subject will be teachers by all subject teachers by online session due to corona situation. So today we are going to see in our subject maths our first lesson rational and irrational numbers. I hope you will all enjoy online session. So let's start our first lesson rational and irrational numbers. To see rational and irrational numbers, let's recall about number sets. You all familiar with all number sets just like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, etc. आप सभी को पता है कि नेचुरल नंबर्स कौन से होते हैं. द नंबर्स वी कैन काउंट, मतलब जो नंबर्स हम काउंटिंग में लेते हैं आपको पता है, सच एज 1, 2, 3 and all countable numbers. You can see here all these are natural numbers. Natural numbers are also infinite. We use a natural number for counting. Then whole numbers. You can see here whole numbers. You can see here natural number including 0. 0 is not countable number. So including 0 with natural number, all these numbers are called as a whole numbers. Then integer numbers. You know, positive numbers, negative numbers, and positive and negative numbers with 0. All these numbers are called as a integer. Let's see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dash means and so on so. All these natural positive numbers. Then 0 and all negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, dash and so on. The group of all these type numbers means 0, positive numbers and negative numbers. All these numbers are called as integer numbers. All these numbers called as integer numbers. You can show all these set natural number, whole number, integers by this diagram. See here. First 1, 2, 3, 4 dash means all these are natural numbers. If we add 0 with natural number, you get whole numbers. Represent in this way. You can express in this way. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these numbers are whole numbers. All these numbers are only natural numbers. Now see, minus numbers means negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. All these numbers are integer numbers. The set of all these numbers is called as an integer number set. Integer number set. So remember, integer number include natural number means positive number, 0 and negative integers. We can say as a negative integer, 0 and positive integers. Then what about number like this? Which number? For example, 3 upon 2, then minus 4 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. Then tell me, what about number like this? You also familiar with all these numbers. These numbers are fractions. Yes, all these numbers are low as a fraction type numbers. Means 3 upon 2. This is numerator and this is denominator. This number is called as a fraction. 3 upon 2 minus 4 upon 3, 1 upon 3. All these numbers are fraction numbers. After dividing, you get this number in decimal form. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10 means 3 upon 2 equal to, we can write in decimal form 1.5. 1.5. Then all these type numbers, where all these type numbers are included, which number sets include all these type numbers? All these are fraction, means they are in form P upon Q form. P upon Q form means given above all numbers are P upon Q form. So you can say all these are fractions, all these are decimal numbers, all these numbers are P upon Q form type numbers. P upon Q form types number. So all these numbers are called as a rational numbers. All these numbers are called as a rational numbers. Rational number include natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and all positive, negative fractions. All positive, negative fractions. All these numbers are called as a rational number. You can define a rational number that can be written as a fraction like in the form. मतलब हमने सबसे पहले देखा कि नेचुरल नंबर्स का सेट है जो काउंटेबल है, फिर हमने उसमें जीरो ऐड किया, होल नंबर्स हो गए. दैट नंबर सेट इज कॉल्ड एज अ होल नंबर. नेचुरल नंबर हम कैपिटल एन से दर्शाते हैं, होल नंबर्स डब्ल्यू कैपिटल से दर्शाते हैं. इस तरह से होल नंबर के बाद हमने इंटीजर्स देखे एंड अभी हम देख रहे हैं रैशनल नंबर्स. So, you can define a rational number that can be written as a fraction like in the form P upon Q form. P upon Q form. For this condition, here P and Q are integer, must be integer, and there will be no common fraction between P and Q. No common fraction between P and Q, only one common fraction will be there. In second condition, Q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0. मतलब Q की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होनी चाहिए. Q is at denominator, so Q should never be 0. The Q की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होनी चाहिए. Then this type of form numbers are called as a rational numbers. Called as a rational number. Here P and Q are integers. For example, recently we see again, see here 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 4, 3 upon 2, 3, 8, etc. Now see, 2 upon 5 is in the form P upon Q. Minus 3 upon 4 is also in the form of P upon Q. 3 upon 2 is also form of P upon Q. But what about 3 and 8? 3 and 8 is a rational number? Yes, why not? 3 and 8 is also 3 and 8 are also rational number, because you can write 3 as, so 3 and 3 and 8 are also rational number. We can write 3 as a form 3 upon 1. It is P upon Q form. Or you can write 6 upon 2. 2 3s are 6. You get 3. So you can write 8. You can express 8 number as in P upon Q form. Means 8 upon 1. 8 upon 1. And you can also 16 upon 2. You can write 16 upon 2 also. 2 8 is 16. So I mentioned here rational number include natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and all positive negative fraction. So I write here all rational numbers. Then rational number included which type of numbers? Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and all positive negative fraction. So 3 and 8 also rational number. 5 is also rational number. You can write 5 upon 1, 25 upon 5. So all these are rational numbers. There are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. मतलब किसी भी दो रैशनल नंबर के बीच असीमित रैशनल नंबर आ सकते हैं, हम निकाल सकते हैं. You can express infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Then how? See here. For example, to find three rational number between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. See, both are rational numbers which is given. You have to find out the three rational numbers between them. मतलब 3 upon 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. इन दोनों के बीच में बिटवीन हमें तीन रैशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है. हम 5 भी रैशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन फाइंड आउट 3 रैशनल नंबर, 5 रैशनल नंबर, 10 रैशनल नंबर, 15 रैशनल नंबर, 20 रैशनल नंबर and so on. So here I mention there are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So here to explain I take one example to find three rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Numbers are 3 upon 5 means 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Numbers are 3 by 5 and 4 upon 5 means 4 by 5. Observe both numbers. You can see here in denominator, both denominator are equals. Here is also 5, here is also 5. So right here denominator are equal. So to find out the rational number between the 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5, we are going to find out three rational number. So add 1 in 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. And then multiply this 4 with these numbers. Means 3 by 4, 5. 3 into 4 upon 5 into 4. Why we take 4? Because in question we have to find out three rational number. So I add here 3 plus 1 means I add in 3 1 I get 4. So this is our method to find out rational number. You multiply this number with given rational number. If in question to find out 5 rational number, then 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So multiply given rational number with 6 in numerator and in denominator. So first I multiply 3 upon 5 with 4. 3 into 4 upon 5 into 4. 3 into 4 is equal to 12 upon 20. Again second fractional number, rational number. So I multiply again with 4. 4 into 4 upon 5 into 4 is equal to 4 into 4 16 upon 20. Means after multiplication you get 12 upon 20 and 16 upon 20, two rational number. 12 upon 20 is a form of 3 upon 5. If you divide 12 upon 20, you get 3 upon 5. If you divide 16 upon 20, you get 4 upon 5. So, I just replace 3 upon 5 as a 12 upon 20 and 4 upon 5 as a 16 upon 20 with multiplying by 4. तो अभी आपको ध्यान रखना है, अगर हमें 3 रैशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट करने हैं तो हमें 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है दिए गए रैशनल नंबर को. ये कंडीशन कब है? जब हमारे डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. देन after multiplication you get 12 upon 20 and 16 upon 20, means 12 by 20 and 16 by 20. So rational number between 12 upon 20 and 16 upon 20 are 12 upon 20. Take both denominator are same, so increase numerator. So our first rational number between 12 upon 20 to 16 upon 20 is 13 upon 20. Right here, after 12, 13 upon 20. After 13, 14 upon 20. After 14, 15 upon 20. And then our last number is 16 upon 20. So, 12 upon 20, then 13 upon 20, 14 upon 20, 15 upon 20 and 16 upon 20. 12 upon 20 is a form of 3 upon 5 and 16 upon 20 is a 4 upon 5, means 4 by 5. So, in this method we find out 3 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. If you have to find out 6 rational number, then 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. You multiply given rational number with 7 in numerator, in denominator. In this way, we find out a rational number between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. If given rational number has no equal denominator, here denominator are equal. If in given question, in rational number, if suppose number is 3 upon 2 and 4 upon 3, 3 upon 2 and 4 upon 3, then first you take LCM, find out LCM and equal the denominator. जब आपके डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो जाएंगे तब आप इस प्रोसेस से आपको जितने भी रैशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट करने हैं यू कैन फाइंड आउट इन दिस मेथड. थैंक यू.